Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the RiotClientServices.exe application error in Valorant.
Fix 1. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click Riot Client Services. X or Valorant shortcut. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Launch the game and check if it works. Fix 2. Repair game files. Step 1. Open Riot Client. Step 2. Go to Valorant, click Settings, gear icon. Step 3. Click Repair and wait for the process to finish. Fix 3. Disable antivirus firewall temporarily. Step 1. Turn off Windows Defender or third-party antivirus. Step 2. Launch Valorant to see if it runs. Step 3. Add Valorant as exception in antivirus firewall. Fix 4. Update Windows and drivers. Step 1. Press Win+I update and security Windows update. Check for updates. Step 2. Update graphics and chipset drivers from manufacturer's website.